Sometimes we're looking at two sets of data, basically like a before and after test, but they're not independent. We want to compare like two groups in a sense, but they're not independent. So we're going to cover a paired t-test. Like imagine comparing husband and wife. One of the typical things we might look at, like a before and after. Sometimes it's in exams. If this exam was out of 1,000 and or something. So anyway, sometimes we might look at comparing a before and after kind of test, or before and after. But basically the concept is we're dealing with the same person and there's two measurements, so it's paired. Sometimes it could be older brother, younger brother, brother to sister. I mean, if there's a relationship between the two that they're not independent, you might want to use, well, you could not use, if they're not independent, you could not use an independent samples test. And what may be appropriate is a paired t-test. We're going to analyze. Compare means paired t-test. And I'm going to start here. You'd highlight before, you'd highlight after, and then you see variable 1, variable 2, before, after. Click it on over. Then we'll click OK. Then it gives some of the descriptive stats, how correlated they are. It shows that they are correlated, and they're definitely not independent. And then here we got the before and after numbers. The mean difference basically between the before minus after. And you can see it's before minus after. Before is smaller than after. And you can see it's negative. And then we've got the p-value. And it's basically saying that they're not equal. And that's how you do a paired t-test in SPSS.